Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be comparing an ocean view room to a balcony room on Liberty of the Seas by Royal Caribbean. So first one I am going to show you guys is the ocean view room, which is located towards the front of the ship on the second floor. So room 2578, I will say it was a little annoying that we did not get our luggage until after 3 o'clock, especially since we were on the ship by 12:30 and they did say it would arrive by 1 o'clock. But it's fine, we ended up getting it, so it is what it is. But I will say with this room, as you can see, it's blocked off on this hallway, so there is not much foot traffic with the location of this room. So definitely something to keep in mind. As you walk in, you do have the safety features on the back of the door. There is a light switch as soon as you walk in, and on your left-hand side is the closet where the safe is located. They also have a lot of hangers, and also the life jackets are located in there. There is no iron. Definitely make sure you look at the prohibited items for Royal Caribbean before you get on the ship. So there is no ironing board, so you definitely have to get creative with your clothes not being wrinkly if you're going to hang them up. The right hand side is the bathroom. So bathroom is teeny tiny, itty bitty. There's really not too much to it, except for it is snug. I will say it is very clean. It's very clean. It smelled good. It looked, pretty basic, but it looked decent. Like nothing was chipping away. Nothing looked old or rusted. It did look very clean, very presentable. This cabinet right here does open up. I did not find this out, guys, until like the second day, but definitely room for additional storage if you were looking for it. There's the sink. There's underneath the sink, again, has all the basic items that you would need in a bathroom. The water pressure was also pretty good in the sink and in the shower. This is just something that I like to test out no matter where I go, especially on trips, just because I've had terrible experiences with water pressure. Water pressure got a thumbs up for me here. Further into the room, you do have a desk/vanity mirror area with some drawers on the side, and they also include a hair dryer and a mini, I'm not gonna call this a mini fridge, guys. This is a mini cooler. It does not get cold. Well, okay, let me take that back. It does get cold, barely though. I would say it's more so of a cooler compared to a fridge. Here is our queen size bed and the view. I will say this window is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. So I was thoroughly impressed with the size of that. You have the TV over here. You also have a phone in your room if you need to call guest services. And there is also a light switch on only one side of the bed, but these lamps are on both sides. So again, here is the ocean view. This is what you're paying for. I enjoyed it. I will say the window is a great size. It's not a small porthole. It's a decent size for a window. The view always looked really pretty. These are the only 2 wall outlets in the entire room. There's none in the bathroom, there's none by the bed. So I will say bring portable chargers because extension cords are prohibited. Now they do have cruise approved ones, but if you want to risk it, cool. Personally, I just brought backup chargers. And I do have a video, the link can be found down below, on packing. Now we did order the water package. You cannot do any type of beverage package just for yourself. You have to do it for both people in the room, which is why they gave us 12 each, which was way too many. You can get water at restaurants and places throughout the ship, but they are not bottled water. So that's why we prepaid for that. But again, it was way too much. So this was one of the cute little towel animals that they made for us the first night. And then they also made one the second day for us, which were really cute. So just thought I'd show those off real quick. So that's the ocean view room. Now we're going to head to the balcony room so I can show you guys what that looks like. I will say a lot of the beginning stuff looks exactly the same and there are no differences. So later on, I will point out the differences with this room. But for example, the bathroom, the exact same as the other bathroom. Side note, if you are curious as to what the rest of the ship looks like, the nightly entertainment, the food, excursions at Nassau and Coco Cay, the link can be found down below to some of my other videos, which will include those things. So also remember to subscribe so you're not missing out. Just like the other room, this room does have the safety features located on the back of the door as well. As you can see, this room is located on the 9th floor, so it's a lot higher up and it's towards the back of the ship. But the closet looks the exact same. It's the exact same amount of space. The desk area is the exact same as well. The first difference that I do see is that this couch is a lot bigger than the one in the previous room, and this room is slightly more spacious. As you can see, there's a divider. The other room did not have this divider with the seating area. And now let's go out to the balcony. So this is where the main difference is. The other room only had the ocean view window. This has a whole entire balcony. You can see there are 2 chairs and a table, and there are separators on both sides for privacy. So again, just a quick recap. The main differences are that the couch is slightly bigger in this room, in the balcony room. You have a little bit more space compared to the ocean view room, and you also have this balcony in addition. So again, I do have other videos of the ship where you can see where other outdoor spaces are located. So ultimately, I think it does come down to how much time are you actually spending in a balcony room and how much will you actually enjoy it and use it compared to everything that is going on the ship. So definitely just some things to take into consideration. But also, if you have bad motion sickness, the second floor is not the place for you. Obviously, it just varies per person, but the higher up you are, the better it is for you. So that is all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out my other videos. You can find the links down below to those. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe, like, share this with a friend.